Real estate investment, real estate investment, real estate investment. This is the leading investment in Nigeria today. Why? Because it is safe, secured, profitable, reliable, and valuable. And you as an investor, you need to take note of certain red flags when making or going on this investment journey. So today we'll be discussing red flags that concern real estate investment. You're welcome to Classic Homes Limited. If you're just joining us for the first time, kindly click on the follow button and turn on your notification for more updates. We'll be back after the short break. These red flags are unusually low prices. When a property price is unusual, if you as a client is interested in a particular location, and around that location you've confirmed that properties around that places are varied from 5 billion to 50 million and above, for example, and the property you came across is even way below that price, let's say 2 million naira, you need to be very careful of such investment. Ensure you do your due diligence on that property, and if you notice any red flags, please run away. Avoid such property for the sake of your peace of mind and your hard-earned money. Point number 2, lack of documentation. If a property you're interested in has no title whatsoever with at least a registered survey, kindly avoid it. Some property titles you need to take note of are registered survey, deed of assignment, certificate of occupancy, governor's consent, and so many others. Please, before you purchase a property with no title, do your due diligence so that you don't go and acquire a government-owned property, and before you know it, your money is gone. Point number 3, no physical or virtual inspection. If a property you're interested in and the agent you're discussing with tells you that don't worry, the property is that there is no pictures to show, no virtual inspection to show, or you can't even go to the site, please avoid it. Except you're outside the country. If you're not in Nigeria, if you're in diaspora, for example, and you have a property you're interested in, of course you can't come over, or you can send a representative, or better still, have a virtual inspection with the agent or with the consultant, if I may say. This way you are guided and you are conscious of the steps you're making. These things will guide you so that you don't fall victim to scam or real estate scam. Now, next point is unclear payment terms. At this stage, you've progressed from the stage 1 down to the concluding stage where you're about to make payment, but along the line, the payment you saw on probably the flyer that caught your attention, or the picture of the property that caught your attention, and you're seeing other payments that you are not aware of, it brings up doubts. You begin to ask, but you did not tell me that there are other payments involved. So as a client, your consultant has to be transparent with you so that you won't have issues of getting to see that there are other payments hidden and you're not aware of it. So you need to take note of that very point and ensure that all those payments that you saw at the time it caught your attention are all inclusive if you are to progress to the final stages. This way you are guided. Final point on red flags: making payment to individual accounts rather than the company account. For example, you're ready to proceed and claim your property, so for any payment you are to make, do not make it to that consultant's account. Request for the company's account and make your payment to them so that the company can issue you the necessary documents like your receipts, letter of acknowledgement, and so on. My dear wonderful investors, you've read about the red flags that concerns real estate investment. So going forward, I believe you will not fall victim ensure you do your due diligence on any property you are to acquire, whether it's in Lagos State, whether it's in Abuja, whether it's in Ogun State, whether it's in Ibadan, whether anywhere it is. Ensure you do your due diligence. If you are just joining us for the first time, kindly click on the follow button, turn on your notification button as well, and stay tuned for more updates.